The bloated belly. It's uncomfortable. Your clothes don't fit right. And you know what? It's an issue that most women over 50 are dealing with. In this video, I'm going to go over some major causes of belly bloat and my 5 top tips to how to reduce that belly bloat and get to that flatter stomach we all want. Hi there, this is Healthy Living with Anna, where I talk about all things healthy for women over 50. If you haven't done so already, do me a favor and click subscribe, and you'll get all my latest and greatest health tips. Tip number 1, white salt, heat-treated oil, and dairy. These are all major causes of belly bloat. Let's break those apart. White iodized salt is actually a refined product to make it look white, to make it pourable, and there's usually added iodine in it. This is one of the major reasons that we all have belly bloat, and it's in just about every refined food product. A great alternative is gray Celtic sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. All of these natural salts have a richer, deeper flavor. They're not as metallic and really yummy tasting. Heat-treated oils, what do I mean by that? Sure, it does mean things like fried food, processed food, stuff like that, that has oil that has actually been heated. But I'm also talking about bottled oils that are on the shelves of our grocery store. Things like corn oil, vegetable oil, all of those are refined oils. They've been heat treated, and they will all give us this really kind of odd belly bloat. A really great alternative to heat-treated oils are things like organic extra virgin olive oil, and you only want to use that raw, so you want to add that either after cooking or use that for salads. And for cooking, an extra virgin coconut oil. Both of those you want to look for unrefined. That means that they're cold pressed and not heat treated. Heat treated oils really give us that bloat. Dairy. Dairy is one of my biggest no-nos. Goat, cow, I don't even want to know what other kind of dairies are out there. Dairy is one of the major reasons why most women have belly bloat, and there are so many alternatives out there. If you're looking for dairy in your morning yerba or coffee, you want to go with something like a coconut creamer or almond creamer. Don't go for the regular almond milks and stuff like that. You might find them too thin. And for things like a natural cereal or other baking needs, almond milk, hemp milk. But if you want to get rid of belly bloat, stay away from that dairy. Number 2, my second tip is that you might have a bloated belly from dehydration, and it's something that most women don't even realize. I had a teacher that would always say, the solution to pollution is dilution. And what that means is that there's 2 major reasons why you could be dehydrated. Number 1, you're not getting enough water in. Or number 2, you could also be eating or drinking things that are actually dehydrating you. So things like sodas or power drinks or sports drinks, all of those things have chemicals in them that can dehydrate you. So what you want to do is throughout the day, you want to make sure you're drinking enough water. Or if you're looking for a flavored water, go for some yerba and put some citrus in it. So you want to make sure that you're always drinking plenty of water. Anytime you get dehydrated, it could bloat your belly, and a lot of people don't realize that it could be as simple as just drinking a glass of water. Number 3, this is an easy one. Anything that is tight around your abdomen can have the potential of bloating you. So things like tight skirts, tight jeans, anything that has the seam around your gut that is tight and restrictive does have the potential to bloat out your belly. For example, if you work in an office and you're wearing restrictive suits and things like that, it might be as simple as loosening up your pants. Just take 24 hours and wear something that's really loose around your abdomen and isn't restrictive in any way. Number 4, refined grains in the form of crackers, cookies, cakes, and bread. All of those things have the potential to give you a really bloated belly. So what I suggest is that you take 3 days and don't have any crackers, cakes, cookies, cereals, bread, anything like that. Within those 3 days, I'm not saying don't have any starch at all, but have it in the form of a whole starch. So something like a sweet potato or a baked potato or squash or rice is a better option. And you'll be able to tell within 3 days if it's the refined grain or not. Another thing to do within those 3 days is a Yerba clean blend that has ginger in it. Ginger will help soothe the gut and really bring that down. So the combination of ginger and not having those refined grains will really give you some insight as to where that bloat is coming from. Number 5. Constipation. Yes, I'm gonna go there. Are you constipated? Now, when I ask clients, most would say no. But upon further investigation, when I would ask them if they pooped every day, they would say no. Well, that is constipation, my friends. If you're not pooping each day, that's constipated. Another way to tell if you are constipated or not is when you do poop is hard poops. So hard poops, or if they take a long time to come out, that's constipation too. You might need to add some more water in, or add some more fiber in, or add some more yerba to help you relieve some belly bloating and get back to that flat stomach that you're looking for. So there you have it, my friends, my top 5 ways on how to reduce belly bloat. I hope that these tips help you get a flatter tummy. What about you? Do you have any tips you'd like to share? If you do, please put them in the comment section below. I'd love to hear what you all are doing. I'm hoping you like this video, and if you do, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to click subscribe. Until next time, mwah! Ciao.